Hi guys, I'm in Flamers. Today we are back for another video, and today we are going to draw. We are going to draw or make a templates, a cover, and much more. Alright, this is the application name Canva. You will know probably. So we are going to make a template and a type of logo for my friend. Alright, first of all, we are going to make a logo. First, the channel name is You Can Do It, so we are going to make a logo something like that, like UICTD or anything. Did I just say that? And second of all, we are going to make a template, a banner, and a channel art for my friend. Actually, in this video, this is about two main works. Yeah, first one is my friend shoaib. I'm giving a shout out of this channel. You can do it. And the second one is a tutorial for main logos and stuff. This is not any gaming content. Let's just head into it. Let's go in this application. We can copy these templates, make our own on it, and we are going to do it now. In this application there are over 60,000 plus templates in here, so you can find and copy them all. So let's just first search for YouTube logo, and YouTube logo. Oh, this is found it. Okay, so we are going to type such a simple logo, and yeah, they found it. Yeah, so we are going to check it. Alright, we just found much more. Alright, I'll be back in a second. Alright, we just found it last day, and now we are going to make it now. We are typing and removing these M like an O, and you are going to play like that. Yeah, you can do it. Okay, so, and in this we are going to You Can Do It. There we go. We just made a logo simply, easily, and this is our logo. Maybe we can, then we will be going to go with a bunch of pictures, or maybe not, because we haven't done money yet, because they are paid. Yeah, we haven't money. I am a very poor gamer. Maybe I just reposition it. And why am I playing this? I am playing this because of for people who didn't make logo much more better, like in Adobe Photoshop and yeah, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere, and Adobe Premiere is the video editor. Adobe Illustrator and anything. So come for a Canva and copy it, paste it, and give it on YouTube. So we're going to share it now first in Android, and move into the memo, and give password to the memo. Don't copy my password. Save it, and yeah, this is saved now. So this is our logo. I think, yeah, this is okay. I was wondering, just talking about my the wearing blue t-shirt of a flaming guy is my first video in own marginalized. Let's just make a logo, and this is it. Actually, this is a simple software. In this software you can make the templates and the channel art too. So this is I think this is the option of a YouTube channel art, I think. Yeah, there we go. There's the YouTube channel art, and we're going to see all of them. Let's just give me another second. Okay, alright, just we found it very easily, very quick. This is it. The name the Wanderer. We are going to okay, we are going to rename it to You Can Do It Again. And Your Guide to Travel. We are going to okay. This is like the your guide to travel. I mean, your guide to travel. I think somewhere over here. Somewhere over here. Do you know somewhere over here means? Okay, you didn't know. We're going to more text. Are you kidding me? And which one? With for Facebook fan page. Yeah, this is the template YouTube channel, so you can follow his Facebook in here. This is it. This is my moment. I mean, we didn't need this, but yeah, we didn't need this, but okay, it says this is very good because we have the time much more. I have, but you guys didn't have time much more. I mean, yeah. This dazzle thingy. Remove this and name it. What do I name? Facebook. Okay, that's terrible. This is 139, why 139? I mean, and color it white. There we go. And what you do, you perform that perfume. It's all about shoaib, waziir, my classmate in a school, in a college, in a university, and in a YouTube too. Okay, so okay, should I just do that again? Facebook share waziir and share it. Now something went wrong. We can export your design this time. Please try again later. Okay, you can export it. Please try again. But I'll save it in my where did I save? Did I just didn't save that? Are you kidding me? And did I just? And I have another template ready and another template ready. This is a very good template, and yeah. So this is it. This is all. Yeah, I was like going to move. Okay, and okay. And for God's sake, bad people, please don't strike. I mean, do not strike on me. Do not strike that is copying that company or anything. This is not a sponsor and not any copyright issues. Please, for God's sake, alright. So we just make that. Make sure you check out his channel. Sorry about that. I just forgot that again because he didn't get any videos. So alright, whenever he uploads, I will talk to him, subscribe to him, and check out. So okay, that's all the video. This was good. I just said that I'm not. How did I know that this was good? Anyway, thank you for someone watching my video. Make sure to subscribe to and leave it like given below. Like is not given below. Bye.